Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I thought I'd show you 3 different ways you can apply fine glitter to your nails. Let's begin the video. Start by mixing nail glitter with base coat. Adjust the amount of nail glitter to your own taste. Then mix very thoroughly before applying the mix to the nail. Start by applying a thin layer, and then build it up until you are satisfied with the nail glitter. Cure the nail between each layer, and finish the nail with top coat. Personally, I find this to be the easiest way to apply fine glitter, and it gives the nail a sugar crush finish. Apply a thin layer of top coat and then pour fine glitter on top of the nail. If you find that the nail is not completely covered, repeat the steps, and then dab gently on the nail to remove any loose fine glitter before curing the nail for 60 seconds. Start by applying a thin layer of nail foil glue and cure the nail for 60 sec. Here, we will press in the nail fine glitter onto the nail. Apply as much fine nail glitter as you like. Then, apply a thin top coat and cure the nail. It can't get any easier than this, right? What did you think of today's video? Please leave a comment in the comments section, and I hope you learned something new. Bye for now.